are here at Rushok Farm. It's in Lwangwe, Wange district in the Matetse area. Basically, we are surrounded by A1 communities and A2 settlement farms. And our main business has been safari hunting. We call it trophy hunting. And we came in here around about 2016. And this is what we've been doing all along: trophy hunting, getting guests from the USA, Spain, and a few from Germany. And as you all know, Covid-19 struck, and that affected our business, our safari business. Tourist arrivals got affected, and it's been a year now, and we haven't had a single client in camp. And we have since decided to sort of like maybe look at the mitigative measures of staying afloat, and consider venturing into domestic tourism. And that's the avenue that we're trying to take now. And well, it's not the same as doing the hunting business, but it keeps you afloat, hopefully. I'll just give an example of how the pricing system works in the hunting industry. For example, a client that books an elephant hunt, for example, maybe a combination of elephant buffalo hunt, they would pay in the region of up to, let's say, 900 US, or range between 900 US and 1,200 per day times the number of hunting days, right? But that money caters for things like fuel, the hunting vehicles, the food, the beverages, the service staff. It caters for everything, right? So there's a lot of monies involved, and added to that are the trophy fees from the animals that the clients would have shot. We are not just shooting any other animal or the young, the females, no. In hunting, we only harvest the old and very mature and old bulls. That's what we are harvesting. And at the end of the day, a hunting client has given us, let's talk in the range of 25,000, 30,000 USD in 14 days. All right. And then in comparison to the green package that we would have got, for example, of 7 clients, them paying something like $20 per day, it suffocates. But business is business. It has to be done. So going the green way, it means that you have to have a constant supply of clients, even if the revenue aspect is a little bit low. But if you have a constant supply of clients, then somehow you can be able to keep the system going. There are a lot of challenges, and there's a lot that needs to be done. And also, if you look at the revenue aspect of things, the revenue you get from one hunting client, you would probably require something like 20 green clients to equal the amount of revenue. So even if we go green, we will still choke a little bit until we have a maintained supply of clients that could sort of like at at least balance up the equation. But all the same, thankfully the government of Zimbabwe has brought in and is continuously bringing in COVID vaccines, and people are getting the jabs, and that should make life easier for everyone, and hopefully the borders will also open pretty soon, and the movement of people locally would also improve. I think COVID restrictions and all that, they will be loosened a bit, so that will aid in us trying to tap into the domestic tourism part of things.